Hi everyone, just wanted to show you this. I'm a plumbing contractor and I got to replace a tub spout in a customer's house. I got these off Amazon. They were actually sent to us free to give it a try out. And this is actually a universal tub spout. It's chrome plated. It comes in different finishes. It was also a 2-pack, which made it super handy. But these are a universal fit as long as you have a 1/2-inch copper coming out of the wall. So if you have a tub, let's say this is the wall right here, and you have this copper stub out of the wall, and sometimes you have an adapter on it that you had to unscrew the old one off, but you're having problems with the new one with sizing, you can just actually take that adapter off and just make it just solid copper, just like this. So how this works, this is actually a universal fit tub spout. On the back side of it, you see has this insert in it, and on the bottom side, you'll see that it has a Allen screw in it, and they actually provide the Allen wrench that goes in there, and you'll want to loosen that up until the screw is not protruding in the plastic anymore. About 1 inch into the spout itself, it has an O-ring that slips over the copper and it seals it. Okay, so you have your piece of copper. Like I said, you may have to take off the adapter on it, but you do need to try to get this in part of it beveled out. So if it's too sharp, it'll cut that O-ring on its way in, and you only need to do this once. If you ever have to replace the spout again, it's all done. Okay, so if you're not catching your finger on it, your thumb, then it's good to go. All right, so you have the wall. Let's pretend my thumb is the wall. You just slip this on, and it's going to go on kind of tight. So that'll go up against the wall, the spout will. And on the bottom side of it, we'll tip it up. You'll have that Allen screw, and you'll just tighten that up until it gets snug, and just go just a little bit more. Don't go crazy on it and kink the copper. So right now it is cinched down tight. If you need to readjust it, just back off on the Allen screw and adjust it like this, and that's not going to cause any leakage at all until you get it to the position you want, and then tighten it back up. So if you want to take it off, unscrew that, pull forward, and the spout is off of the piece of copper. So that is it, and this is all metal. It is a die-cast metal. The finish seems to be very nice, and we're just very happy to use these and install them. Yeah, if you're looking for a great quality tub spout, universal, that will fit anything that has a 1/2 inch copper protruding the wall from your tub, this will work. And yeah, thanks for watching.